Can I help you?
Hi, my name is, and last week I was on your website looking at a car, and I have some questions if you still have it. Do you guys do like buy here, pay here?
No, we don't. We have outside lenders that go based off your credit, and we have cash deals.
Okay, well, I was looking to buy a car, and I was hoping that I could build my credit back up with that. You don't do that over there?
Well, we go through a place called. That's one of our. That's our like main lender for any kind of payment. So I know when you, as long as you're making your payments and you pay off your car, I'm pretty sure that helps your credit.
Okay. Well, do you know about how long it would take if I went through them? How long it would take to build my credit back up?
I am not even sure. Like I said, they just give car contracts, car loans out on cars that we have on our lot through a program with them where you'd be paying them and everything.
Okay.
So it just depends on what the term of the car is, how long, because there'll be a set contract with them. They'll have an end date that they have an idea for you to have it paid off and everything. So I guess it matters on how long your payments are for.
Okay. Well, I have a question actually. I was looking at a car that you had online last week. You might have sold it. That might have been why they didn't call me back. But it was a 2016 Ford Escape. Do you know if you still have that one?
We do still have that one.
Okay. Do you know what the price is on that? I just wrote down the phone number and the car, but I didn't write the price. I don't know if it didn't have a price, but
if it's on the website,
the
it does. It's $8,000 plus taxes and fees. $79.95 plus taxes and fees.
Okay, and that's if I go through that financing thing you were talking about, right?
No, that's cash. Finance and stuff, they're going to have like their APR and everything on it. It won't be the exact cash price, because they're going to have interest and stuff on it.
Okay. Okay, so if I pay cash, it's $8,000, whatever it is. But if I finance it, it'll be more then. I mean, more I know because I got to pay interest on it. But is the price of the car more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the price of the loan will be the price of the loan will be more than the price of the cash purchase of a car because they have to make their money on it somewhere. If they give us exactly what we're asking for it, they have to make their money on it somewhere. So they put APR on it, interest and everything.
Right. Well, I figured, I'd have to pay the interest. So if it's 8 to buy cash, it's what, like 10 plus interest? Do you figure to finance? I'm just trying to.
Yeah, that's a ballpark. Yeah, that's a good ballpark estimate.
Okay. All right. Well, I think I really need to get into a car. I mean, can you help? Do you think you can help me out? I have terrible credit. I know that you mentioned you go through this other place, but how does that work?
Well, with really, really bad credit or no credit, you're going to have a pretty high down payment.
Okay. How much do you think on like that car that we were talking about? You said is 8 cash, but like 10 plus interest to finance.
If you have really bad credit, they're going to want like 4 or 5 down. They're going to want like a certain percentage of the car. Yeah, because it just gives them more reason to loan you the money. If you because a lot of people they come across will be people that have really, really bad credit and want a loan on just $500-600 down, and they're like, look, we can't do that because you're not putting any collateral in the game. It's hard to get $500-600 down nowadays without good credit.
Yeah. All right. Thanks.
You're welcome.